Neighbors are making a difference for a former military reservist in Oshkosh. It's a way for a mobile home park's residents to come together and help out. Fox 11 Alexa Santos tells us about the project.
Several hours of hard work for this group of strangers.
It's backbreaking, but I mean, it's worth it.
All to help this man. Martin Auer is an Army and Marine Corps Reserve veteran. He's lived in this trailer home for more than 30 years. And after all that time, it was a bit worse for the wear.
I needed a new shed, plus I needed new skirting.
He was chosen by the mobile home park company RV Horizons to get a big renovation.
Very appreciative and relieved that I didn't have to try and get it done myself.
It should be really nice, and when we get done, it should look like a really nice place.
For the volunteers working on Auer's home, they say they're thrilled to give back.
Freedom is not free, and it takes a lot of sacrifice from people like Mr. Auer.
I know what it's like to struggle, and I mean, it's nice to actually be able to help somebody in the community that really needs the help.
Hammering away and building up that new shed and trailer skirting, the group joined forces in the name of kindness.
There's a lot of good people out there.
We're all together chipping in and helping and doing what we can.
Auer says his treatment as a veteran hasn't always been this good.
This is good. People's attitude really has changed about the military.
Our vets deserve to be helped out with every little thing that they need, and this is a big thing. You know, more people should get out there and help our vets.
A relief for Auer and a feel-good moment for the volunteers. In Oshkosh, Alexa Santos, Fox 11 News.
The group said it was hoping to be done with the renovations in a couple of hours before dark. The mobile home park company says it would like to continue doing projects like this.